Hi everyone! Welcome to Art by Daisy! So guys, I just want to show you my creation. So I made a jewelry made of resin art. And look at this. I love this one because it's so glossy. And look at the back. It's a bubbles free. And by the way guys, I did many times, like 6 attempts, but the first one I made is just experiment. I don't know how to get rid of it to those bubbles, and the resin that I bought, it's not good. It didn't get hard. I'll try another resin, and that one, it's good for me already. So that's the main thing guys. I found the right resin that I can use to my product, and I love it. I cannot complain about that because this is so pretty. I love it, how glossy it is and bubbles free, and it's so easy to use it. And yeah, so this is a fresh from the molds, and I will show you guys. Let's see. After 6 times of try and error, finally now it's really good. I found the right resin that I can use for my near future business, hopefully someday. So this one is, so I cured this one first. It say that 6 or 8 hours to cure, but I want it fully cured, so I just sit this one for 24 hours. And look at that guys, it's so pretty. Look at that. So this is a fresh from the molds, and it's so glossy and shiny. So I will put down the link below what type of resin that I use. And look at that. Oh, look at that. I like this teardrop. So pretty. It's so glossy, and look at the back. There is no bubbles. It's a bubbles free. So I gonna put here. I gonna pop up from the molds, and later we go to assemble later. And look at these earrings. This is, I made this one as well. It's so cute. I love it, and it's so light. Forget that you are wearing earrings. So I love this one guys. Now I am proudly represent my own product. And look at this. Look at that, how easy it is. So I use the silicone molds. Look at that. That is so good. That is so pretty. Look at that. So we're gonna assemble this one soon. Rough this side, so I just need a 420 grit of sandpaper, and this is very thin for you. You can add more layer if you want it, but for me I rather to choose this one. It's not very thick and it's not very thin, so I think the size it's good. It's enough, because if your earrings is too heavy, and then the one, for me, I am so happy with it's not also very thin. So this is good one. So you could wear all this one when you are going to beach or party or meet your friend or go somewhere. This is so good. So I made a different colors, and this one as well. Look at that. Look how glossy it is. So this is the front one, and this is the back one, back side. Look at that guys. I am so happy now. I will show you the first one that I make it, and that's not good. I'll show you guys that I made before, and look at this. That's how it looks like my first attempt, second attempts, and third attempts. Look at that. And compared now guys, it's a lot better, an improvement. So I use this one, the different type of resin. So this resin, I found it, and I want to stick for this kind of resin. I love this one. And look at that before. It's not consistent before. I very thick one. So if very thick, that's not good for our ears. That's why I need to be a little bit thinner. And now I'm very happy for that. I am so frustrated that time. So that's the first one I made, and the second attempt, it's still not good. Third attempt, it's still not good. Fifth attempt, it's not still good. Look at the bubbles. It's still not good. And this is the sixth time. Sixth attempt, it's good now. Look at that. It's so good now. It's so glossy and bubbles free. But the problem is very thick. We cannot wear very thick one. So that's why I need to figure out how to become little bit thinner. So that one, guys. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trials, finally. Look at that. And I use the mica powder. The shiny part is the front one. Oh, this is very thin, so I need to put another layer, second layer, but as of now it's okay for me. So next time I make again and I put more layer. So I think I just put like 2 ml. Okay, baby, I love you. Okay. See ya. And this one as well. So thank you about that. And now we're gonna assemble. So this is what I made it. I need to buy the rubber tools. I love it. They are so pretty. Look at them. So guys, I am so happy because finally I can display now my product. So look at this. They are so pretty. Look at that. So proud after 6 times of attempts. And finally now I can display my own product. I'm gonna create a website. And thank you so much guys for tuning in. I love you, and until my next project, stay tuned. And yeah, oh my god, I cannot believe it. I must say, wasn't not perfect yet, but I am so happy with the quality. You can check it out my YouTube channel, Art by Daisy, also my TikTok, Instagram. Maybe that's it. So you can check it out my website soon. I will post the link below on my YouTube channel when I created my own website. So guys, I am so happy what I did. Wasn't perfect yet, but just. So stay tuned until my next video, Art by Daisy. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.